EA960R4 LED display features a 960mm x 960mm magnesium alloy casing, ensuring durability and ease of maintenance. Its compact design includes 3 handles for convenient transportation and installation. EA960R4 LED display has a compact structure with a quick-opening rear cover, simplifying maintenance. 2 wing-shaped fans on the rear panel provide efficient heat dissipation. EA960R4 Outdoor Series boasts an IP65 protection rating and a fully sealed design, effectively resisting wind, rain, dust, and moisture, significantly enhancing its weather resistance. After assembly, EA960R4 LED displays undergo waterproof testing to eliminate defective products, ensuring the integrity of the products delivered to customers. Following the waterproof test, the displays undergo a 72-hour aging test. If no quality issues are found after the test, the product is packaged and shipped. In commercial applications, EA960R4 LED display, with its high brightness and high refresh rate, delivers more realistic and vivid images, making it widely used in various settings such as shopping malls, event venues, performance spaces, and commercial streets. The rear cover of EA960R4 LED display can be opened for easy heat dissipation or maintenance. The casing features a hidden wiring design with reserved wiring holes on the sides, resulting in neater and more aesthetically pleasing cable management.